Bob started working on the cargo trailer again.
So what do you think? That's too big to fit anywhere, but these will all fit right here.
Oh, cool. And then I'll have little drawers there. Neat.
Yep, you'll have them. So we got the lithium battery from LiTime. So this is what's going to be in the trailer, and I want to see how this works before I buy more. This is the 165.
They reached out to us and asked if we wanted to try their lithium battery, and we were all in.
Yep. I went with the 165 because I'm probably going to go with 2 of these. That would give us 328, I believe. Trying to do math in my head is not a good idea.
I hear you, babe.
But yeah, here it is. So I believe this has Bluetooth compatibility, but so I can keep an eye on what the battery health is without having to come in here all the time. I can do it right from the truck. And my plan is to hook this up to a 400 watt solar panel on the roof. I want to get this installed so that I can go ahead and get the refrigerator installed.
Battery comes with these 2 manuals, the product manual and the quick start guide. And it also comes with...
they're the lugs, screws. So they're positive and negative. They go in, and then there's a cap on the top. And that's to hook up the cables, which I have. Go to the App Store. Okay, so there it is. So you go to the App Store. So you click on, I scroll down on the QR code information off the battery. It gave me all this information here. So then I go to the Apple Store, because this is an iPhone. Okay, we wanted to give you an update on the LiTime battery. We've used it now for 3 weeks, and it's actually pretty phenomenal. We've run the refrigerator with it. I've used the solar panels to charge it. I've also used a portable battery maintainer for lithium batteries to help keep it charged, and it's just been working pretty amazing. LiTime pretty much focuses on innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction, and we have had no problem. So when I first hooked up the lithium charger to it, we had some issues, but it come to find out that it was the charger, it wasn't the battery. So this is a 12 volt, 165 amp hour battery, capacity of 212 watt hours, and continuous output power of 2,112 watts. Features a self-developed 165 amp BMS that delivers a continuous output of 165 amps and a peak discharge current of 825 amps for 1 second. It has over 20 safety precautions. It's Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. I've used it. It works great for that. I can monitor this in the camper and make sure that it hasn't drained past its capacity. It has a 4,000 cycle of 100% depth of discharge, designed for extreme weather conditions. We've used it and we've had frost, like 28 degrees one night, 31, 30, and we've never had a problem with this battery. Yeah, our plan is to order 3 more of these, so we have the capacity we need to run the cargo trailer.
If you're interested in this product, please look in our description for an affiliate link. Now that temperatures are getting colder here in New York, Bob will have to continue the build in Florida. All right, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. God bless and have a great day.